Olympus Mons, towering over the Martian landscape, stands as the largest volcano in our solar system. This colossal shield volcano stretches approximately 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, high, making it nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest, the tallest peak on Earth. Its immense base spans about 370 miles, 600 kilometers, in diameter, covering an area roughly the size of the state of Arizona. Formed billions of years ago through volcanic activity, Olympus Mons is distinguished by its gentle slopes and broad summit caldera, characteristics typical of shield volcanoes. Unlike the steep, conical shape of many earthly volcanoes like Mount Fuji or Mount Vesuvius, Olympus Mons rises gradually from its base, a testament to the lower Martian gravity and thinner atmosphere that allow for such massive geological features to form.